Now we know that their bodies are charged. Now what am I trying to say? What is its relationship with the natural phenomenon of lightning? You see, you must have seen sometimes if there is a loose connection in the plug, there are sparks. Two wires meet with each other, there are sparks. Of course, there are also sparks when two strong people argue with each other. That's besides the point. So, you know, even in the poles, the light poles, sometimes you will be able to see the sparks. That is why there is also sign of danger there, that this is where the spark can be there. These sparks are more common when there is thunderstorm and lightning. Now, the lightning is somewhat similar to the charge that is created in the objects. Greeks knew about it, and later it was Franklin, almost 1700 in 18th century, he said that it is this lightning is also because of the charge. Now, when in the atmosphere, in the clouds, the charge is there, and what is found is that somehow the upper clouds have positive charge and the lower clouds have negative charge. Now, how the thunderstorm comes? The water vapors condense and the water is coming down while the dust particles are going up. So, there is lot of movement taking place at a very high speed. Now, because of this high speed, the clouds get charged. Now, they are charged. Okay. Now, what is happening is, because air is a poor conductor, so the two charges do not meet. But when the charge becomes very high, then even the air is not able to control, and as a result the two charges meet with each other and there is lightning. Isn't it somewhat like you and your friends? Sometimes when two friends are there and they get annoyed with each other, they are somewhat like charged bodies. Now, if there is some good friends around or an adult around, the two, though angry, they remain somewhat subdued. But the moment the class is over and the teacher goes away, the teacher is like air, the poor conductor, which is keeping the two charges away. But the moment the teacher is not there, or the moment somehow the influence becomes weak, the two angry boys, what do? They collide with each other and the fight begins, the lightning. That is exactly what happens in nature, and that is how the lightning is there. And what happens if lightning strikes? There can be lot of loss of life and destruction of property.